How to make 4 videos play together at the same time in one video frame. And we'll be using the inShot video editor app, the free version. This is on Android devices. Also make sure you have the latest update for this app and be sure that your device that you're using is capable of handling 4 videos playing at the same time. So to start things off, we'll tap on the video option here. We'll go with new and you must select the blank option here. This is going to be your base video, meaning to say that your base video, and then you will add your other 4 videos on any side that you want to. So this is just going to be like a quick guide here to give you an idea of how it works. You'll have to do all the adjustments yourself, but I just want to show you how to go about inserting the 4 videos on a main frame. Okay, so this is your base frame, so tap on it, just increase the time duration of it so that later on you can come back and adjust it to all the other 4 videos and match their time duration. So now to add our very first video here, we're gonna go to where it says PIP. So you're looking for that option here. And if you don't see this option, it could mean that your device doesn't support these tools on the inShot editor app, okay? And also check to see if you have the latest update. So go to PIP, this is gonna show up here for you, and you wanna go ahead and look for the album that has those videos that you wanna go ahead and insert it, okay? So we'll go to camera here, because that's where I have all my videos there, and just make sure you kind of swipe down so you can start from the very top view here. I'll start off by inserting my very first video here, and I'll go ahead and long press it to view and preview, make sure that this is the one I wanna go ahead and insert, because I wanna start with this one here. And I went about recording these short videos just to do this video for you guys, okay? So I'll select it, it's gonna appear like this here. And for starters, you can simply use this option here, this toggle here, and adjust the size of it to kind of get 4 corners in for every video. So maybe I wanna place this one here to the bottom left, okay? Let's make it a little bit bigger. And you'll just have to adjust it to how you want it. Maybe set it in a way where the content is actually showing, even though you're gonna lose some of the frame itself from the outside. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my second video. So we'll go back to this option here. If you did come out of this view section here, let's just say you pressed the check mark already, you'll just go back to PIP, go back here and add your second video. Make sure you're in that album section that you want to pull those videos out. I'll go ahead and select my next video. It's going to appear like this here. Now, while you're adding your videos in, let's just say that you want to lower the volume on those inserted videos. Be sure to tap on that video that you're editing and then just head over until you see the volume icon. You can go ahead and lower that volume, okay? And then eventually you can come back and do your filter. Maybe if you want to use mask to crop it or whatnot, or flip your videos and all of that stuff here, okay? So we'll go ahead now and place this one to the bottom right section, okay? And again, this is not going to be perfect. You yourself will have to do the adjustments later on, but I just want to show you how this works, okay? Press the check mark and go here and come back here. And if you already inserted your second or third video, you can always go here. You don't have to press the check mark. So I'll go here now. I'll add my next video, which is this one here. And that's going to go to the top section here. And yes, my friends, if you are familiar with Lattafa perfumes, that's exactly what you're viewing. I love them all. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my third or fourth. This is my 4th video. I'm sorry. So 4th video, go ahead and tap on that. You're going to see this message here. Too many layers can cause it to slow down. So I'll tap on this here, and this is going to be my 4th video. You'll adjust the size of it by pulling on this here, or you can take your 2 fingers and split part ways. All right. So for demonstration purposes now, I'll go ahead and just play that all, and you just have to adjust it yourself. I'm just showing you how this works. So I'll press the check mark here. When I press play, it's gonna look like this here. All my videos are playing at the same time. And if you've been looking for something like this here to do this for your videos to upload, that's how you would go about doing it, okay? And just a little quick bonus here. Let's say I want to edit one of my videos. You'll go back to PIP. You can toggle between the different videos. So if I want to edit this one here in particular, I'll tap on it in the timeline section, and I can go ahead and, use the filter, adjust it, whatever I need to do to it. I can mask it, I can blend it, lower the volume. And also, if you really want your videos to be separated, let's just say you want to have a border frame on each video here, while you have selected that particular video, just make sure you go over to the edit option, this right here. Or you can pull it down and look for this icon here. Tapping on either of them will take you to this special set of tools right here. this right here, and make sure you're under this square here, which is your border frame. I'll go ahead and select a color for you so you can get an idea of how it looks. Notice how it's going to show me that red square there. It's actually going to fill up the entire video frame, and you can adjust this to make your borders a lot thicker than usual, okay? And then of course you can just kind of place it back here, maybe shrink it, adjust it so you can actually see the borders for everyone. And you can go about doing that for every video, and then at the end, once it's all set and ready to go, you'll have a frame for each one, and they'll all be playing together at the same time. And then once you're done, just go ahead and save it as that into whatever size resolution you want it to be, okay? And that is that, my friends. Hopefully this gave you an idea of how to do 4 videos at the same time. Like and sub.